Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedo Pot. Well, all you do is put your seeds and your plants in the planter and they grow your food for you. See, I'm not like the rest of you. I don't have problems with growing food. I can buy from my grower maybe all the seedlings I want and come out and pick it and eat it. These seedlings may be small, but guess what? Some of them will grow to be 3 feet tall. Yeah, 3 feet tall. So in one torpedo pot, I grow 8 pounds of lettuce. 8 pounds of lettuce. Some of our garlic chives that we're growing. Listen, I don't have a problem with food like you do. My torpedo pots grow 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. Even in cold weather, the food remains dormant. I don't have anything to worry about my food. My food is always available for me to eat whenever I want to. So, we put these in, and of course it's freezing weather out. You're experiencing freezing weather. You can't even touch your ground yet. And those who have their crops in the ground right now, well, when it gets cold, it kills them off. My torpedo pot, all I do is put my seeds and my plants in the planter, and I have food for the rest of my life. 365 days. The planters you're looking at right now have been growing food for the last 8 years. 8 years. I made one purchase that lasted me 8 years. We grew tomatoes, squash, eggplant, you name it, inside of these same planters. When I finish looking at this lettuce, I simply take it out, throw seeds in, and have it grow something else. I don't have the problems that you have with your food. My food grows all the time. And it grows really well. I love my food. So, a lot of you haven't touched the ground yet. But by the time you touch the ground, I can eat from my lettuce anytime I want to. By the time your lettuce starts to grow, it's already grown. I never water, I never feed these plants. All I do is put my seeds and my plants inside of this planter and it grows it for me. I supplement once a week and that is it. I do nothing else. No rats, no rodents. They protect the rodents from coming into the pot, the small rodents and rats. I have no problem at all. I get fresh, delicious food every day. And I bet you don't. Inside this small location you see right here, we grow over 200 tomatoes. We grow 40 pounds of lettuce if we wanted to. This is nothing for us. We do it all the time. Well, we're going to clock out. And I want you to see exactly what we're doing here at Torpedo Pot. Where we grow food, and we don't have to worry about food shortages or anything else like that because it don't impact us. In a year, I grow over 1,000 pounds of food if I wanted to. Store it away, carry me through the winter, and feed me through the summer. I have no problem with it. It's called Torpedo Pot. The world's first self-growing planter. Where all you do is put your seeds and your plants in, then it grows your food for you. This is my garlic chives. Comes back faithfully at the beginning of every year. And we have, oh my gosh, hundreds of these could be growing. And all we do is cut it down and we eat it. It comes back over and over and over again. That's what they do. So I never run out of food. It's been growing in this planter now, you can tell for about, wow, 3-4 years right now. We have 4 years in this little small planter. I do a great job. I don't have a problem with it. I always have something to eat. Go with Torpedo Pot and let us grow with you. Talk to you guys later. Thank you for looking at this video. All right, bye-bye.